is it the right time to change my job or to change my career direction? Let's ask the universe, what does it want us to hear? Let's hear the whisper from the universe about this, important question. So it probably is already starting to speak to us. Let's see. Now, the way I do it, I look at all the cards directly, and that I'm reading you the whole narrative from the universe whisper. And then we ask additional questions about your particular situation in order to clarify it. And I'm pretty sure today we'll have lots of specifics. So stay tuned. Oh, the devil. The devil. Interesting. Let's look what else is prepared to us in here. Four of Wands. 10 of Wands. Two of Wands. It's a very high energy, dense period for you right now, which you're probably going through. There is no wonder why you are asking that question. The Queen of Pentacles and Page of Pentacles, yes. So energy is behind everything, right? And it's literally is defining where you will move in your career direction. And as you can see, there is some blocking point, some blockage which does not allow you to move forward. Based on this reading, I can clearly see that yes, that's actually the right moment. You don't need really to wait for it, but there is the blockage point which is not allowing you to step away from where you are right now. It's literally just some kind of an obstacle, and that obstacle, I can see that it is internal. I feel that it's very related to some energy block within you, and it's quite connected to a certain sense of overwhelmment on your way. You are truly overwhelmed at this moment. What you are doing, there is too much on your shoulders, and there are not too many rewards for the work which you've been doing so far. And it's something what is truly a leaking that abundance flow, which is actually we are all exposed to here. But that sense of overwhelmment when you work, and there is no proper rewards. And why it's happening? Because many things just distract you along the way, and you feel inside that you need to get focused onto that one thing which will fulfill your soul, but you still didn't figure it out. You still are in that search, and that's what does not allow you to see truly what is your higher purpose here. What is that thing which will truly fulfill you? But this card here is to remind you that you need to have that inner deep patience within you. You are here for a reason, for sure, just like this Queen of Pentacles, and you have that thing what will be opened up to you quite soon, and you will start learning it actively. You will really start learning it actively. You will be like that student of it, just like this Page of Pentacles, and you will need just to learn so many new things. It seems like there is some energy blockage which does not still allow you to move forward in that direction, and I would love to understand what is that, where is it stemming from, because it seems like it's exactly that thing which does not allow you to move forward. All right, Two of Pentacles, Knight of Wands, Seven of Wands, oh, Ace of Pentacles. Now, that thing is strongly related to the fact that probably you keep responding too much to the demands of people around you, of circumstances around you, and that's exactly what is overwhelming you. That's exactly that type of thing which is leaking your energy. And it's the time to rise and shine, in fact, to rise and shine and to invite the new offer into your life. It is very close, in fact, very close to you. The advice here, the solution will be just to establish healthy boundaries and to stop responding to each and every request, to stop being a people pleaser inwardly. You do not need to blame yourself for that. That's totally okay. There are so many things happening around, and we all went through that type of stage. That's okay. You want to be kind and you want to be unapologetic with that. You see how these two cards, they are coming together. And you want to be so kind to yourself, but at the same time unapologetic to the multiple requests from others, so that you would remove that blockage of responding to every possible demand. That's where it is. It showed up its face. That's exactly how you will restore your balance. The balance also in your financial world, because you will see how much more will flow with that new offer. But in order to do that, you want to be willing to say no to certain people, circumstances, requests, and demands of the world around you. And you want to do it in coherence with your energy, meaning that when you pass through the day, you do everything possible what will lift your energy up. Whatever the thing it is, you want to do it to lift your energy up. Let's say you have a communication which just literally sucked your energy. You want just to investigate, can you somehow reduce the frequency of that communication, maybe even completely remove that communication from your life? Is it even possible? Can you increase the distance of communication with that person? Maybe there is some activity which really drains down your energy. Can you do certain activity instead which will lift you up? So this type of thinking will help you to continuously restore your energy and to get focused on you instead of focusing on demands from all people and from the world around you. Only in this case you will be able to lift your energy up, and that's exactly what will open the doors to the new amazing offer to come to your life. And I would say it is not time for you to wait. It is time actually to start acting and to really establish healthy boundaries and do every possible activity to lift your energy up. That's exactly what will help you to change your career direction.